Hi everyone, and welcome back to our course, Mastering OEE in Manufacturing. Today we'll go over the performance component within OEE. Looking back at our OEE overview from Nakajima, you can see an overview of how performance is calculated, the losses that affect it, and how it relates to the other components of OEE. So let's dig in. Performance is the second component of OEE and helps identify how effectively equipment is being utilized during production times. It's calculated by comparing the actual output of the equipment with its design capacity. Performance efficiency takes into account the discrepancy between the ideal speed, aka the validated maximum speed, based on the equipment's design and its actual operating speed. Understanding the gap between potential performance, which is the dashed line in the chart, and the actual performance, which is the blue line, helps us identify areas that need improvement. You can see in the live production graph that the blue line fluctuates between stopped and near peak. The difference between the two lines is what we are interested in here. You can say that performance efficiency equals the net operation rate minus the operating speed rate. Put in terms that are easy to calculate, you take the processed amount and multiply it by the actual cycle time. Then you divide this by the operation time and you have your performance efficiency. This calculation will help you understand the percentage of the design capacity that your equipment achieves during operation. We'll put in some actual numbers to help you understand this better in a future lesson. Performance can be affected by three things. First, minor stoppages. That means brief stops in production, such as jams or quick adjustments. Second is speed losses, when machinery operates below its maximum capacity, causing a slower production rate. And third, idle times. These are periods when the equipment is running but not producing due to issues like material shortage. In summary, measuring performance in OEE helps identify equipment efficiency and production bottlenecks. Addressing factors like minor stoppages and speed losses improves overall productivity. Thank you for watching this course on performance in OEE. Please join us next time for the third and final component of OEE, quality.